Welcome students. Welcome to my channel Alpha Beta YouTube channel. Today in continuation with quadratic polynomial, we are going to discuss shortcut methods for finding polynomials with given zeros. We are already given this polynomial, that is quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, a not equal to 0, with alpha beta are zeros of this polynomial. Now how to form a given polynomial with the given zeros in shortcut form? First is, zeros are 1 upon alpha, 1 upon beta. These are zeros because already we are given zeros alpha beta. We are given new zeros 1 upon alpha, 1 upon beta. Don't calculate anything. Just write px equal to, exchange these two coefficients. Px will be cx square plus bx plus a. If alpha beta are zeros of this polynomial px, this polynomial, then reciprocal zeros will be of this polynomial. It is sure. Shortcut is just you have to exchange these coefficients. This is first part, when we are given zeros as reciprocals. Second is, if we are given sum of zeros equal to product of zeros, that is sum of zeros equal to product of zeros of original polynomial, then what will be new polynomial? It will be ax square plus bx minus b. In this case, just replace c by minus b. It is shortcut. In objective type question, you have to just see these coefficients are of opposite sign but equal. Then sum of zeros equal to product of zeros. It is sure. Third case is, if sum of zeros equal to 0, means sum of zeros equal to 0, it is sure that this will be missing. If sum of zeros equal to 0, that means minus b upon a equal to 0, that means b equal to 0, then equation will reduce in this form. Ax square plus c. Be careful, when x term is missing, it is clear that sum of zeros of given polynomial is equal to 0. Now we come to how we can see product. Fourth part is product of zeros equal to 0. Means alpha into beta equal to 0. When alpha beta is 0, then c upon a is also 0. It means c is 0. Then this quadratic polynomial will reduce to the form ax square plus bx. This is the simplest way to find out when we are given reciprocal roots or zeros. Second case is sum of zeros equal to product of zeros. third is sum of zeros equal to 0, and fourth is product of zeros equal to 0. In this case, when we identify any equation in objective type question in competitive examination, just to see this fact. If you make judgment from this in objective type question, then you can solve this question in very short time. We don't calculate anything like sum of roots s equal to product of roots s equal to whatever it is. You have to solve directly just by one look at this quadratic polynomial. And this is the easy way to solve 4 cases: a reciprocal case, sum equal to product, sum of zeros equal to 0, product of zeros equal to 0. And I am sure you can apply it in very rapid way, and you can solve question in a very short time. These are shortcuts to be used in examination. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my Alpha Beta YouTube channel.